Hi guys, welcome back subscribers. Today we are going to read Kitten's First Full Moon by Kevin Hanks. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought there's a little bowl of milk in the sky, and she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ears and pitching her tail. Poor Kitten. Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond. But Kitten never seemed to get closer and closer. Poor Kitten. Sidewalk, garden, field, and then Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten still couldn't reach the bowl of milk. So now she was scared. Poor Kitten, what can she do? Oh no! Then, in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk, and it was bigger. What a night! So she raced down the tree and raced down through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond and lapped with all her might. Poor Kitten, she was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. Sad, climbed, and there was a great big bowl of milk on the porch, just waiting for her. Looky, Kitten. So, like and subscribe. Subscribers. Bye, subscribers.